Now we were talking about internet. So as we are explaining here, internet is just a network of networks, different kind of networks we are combining in one, that is also known as internet. Or if we say technically, so it is a global system in which the workstations or the nodes are connected together and to share all the information among each other using wires or wireless. It depends on the network. Now second point is here, the internet is here to utilize TCP and IP. Now what is the term TCP and IP? TCP and IP is our protocol model, or you can say every network which has to follow a networking model there, either OSI or TCP/IP. OSI is the Open System Interchange Network model, which we was prefer earlier, but nowadays we are using TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. These are the full forms of these protocols here. So there are some layers in TCP. There are 5 layers, but we are not discussing this TCP/IP here. So you have to just knowing about all these concepts of what is it and why we are using. So it is a kind of protocol model here we are using for networking, and its full form is Transmission Control Protocol, and IP stands for Internet Protocol, and it has 5 layers to transmit our data from sender to receiver or receiver to sender. So services are allowed in the internet. First, you are very well known about all these services here, like email, electronic mail we can do, web applications also run by the internet, web conferencing you can also do with audio or video, visual performance you can take, instant messaging IM you can also use here for the chatting purposes also, SMS also you can do, and online shopping also you can do, commercial services, financial services, online shopping, online movies you can also see, online games also you can play here, and there are many more features of the internet providing here. To serve all these services you have to get internet connection, and then you can join with the society. Then you can also use social sites also for the use of internet here, or to express your views also. So all these kinds of services internet providing here. Now the next topic here, interspace, that is the important topic here, interspace. So what do you mean by interspace here? Interspace is a kind of software. It is a difference between internet and interspace. Internet is not a software, it is just a facility you are using, but interspace is a software. It is purely mentioning here, it is a software that allows multiple users in a client server environment. So here is a term, what do you mean by client server? Client server, that means you have a main system here as a server in which all these clients, all these subsystems are connected together. So basically server is that particular PC or that particular point to serve all the services to the connected pieces together, which are known as clients. Clients are sending the request only, and server is that kind of system that serves these queries or requests from the client side. As we are drawing here diagram, so server is one of the point here which serves all the services to the clients which are connected to it, and clients are those particular nodes which sends requests to the server. So here is the client server architecture or environment you can say. So interspace is just a software which allows multiple users or multiple clients in a client server environment to communicate with each other by sharing all information, by sharing all the resources together, to send the files, to receive the files, and all these kinds of textual, video, audio files we can get from there. So it gives most exceptional type form of communication available on internet. So that is about all these interspace here. Now the next topic we will continue in the next video.